everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Jamaica's Red Bull Dance Your Style 2023 winner Skitta Star represented for the island on Wednesday night at the first of two pre-finals of the Red Bull Dance Your Style finals currently underway in Frankfurt, Germany. Skitta, a crowd favorite, won his first battle to advance to round 2.
Than you from the storm.
Now in round 2, an obviously disappointed Skitta had to hold back on his breakdance styles as per the rules, and it rocked his performance and confidence as he failed to move to the quarterfinals. In an exclusive with E-Prime, Skitta said the experience was a great one.
I want to tell you, it's a very amazing feelings. I love the experience. Like, this is where you can come and learn all different type of genres. So it's a very good look for me.
He spoke to always having something more to give.
The thing is that's the surprise with me. That's when I tell people that I have something in my sleeve, you know that's what I'm talking about. That's the next side of me.
Now, Red Bull Dance Your Style is dubbed the world's most popular street dance event. It features dancers from 45 countries in an electrifying set of battles. The dancers are randomly paired without knowing in advance which songs they're going to be dancing to. With no judges, their fate is up to the audience, who decides who wins each round and the overall competition. Red Bull Dance Your Style world final is set for this Saturday, where the top 6 will battle for the coveted title. Chris Gayle, the Universe boss, has submitted his 2022 album Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica for Grammy consideration. The album, which features 2 songs with Grammy winner Miss Lauryn Hill and reggae giants Morgan Heritage, Kilberton and Sizzla, is entered in the reggae race for Best Reggae Album. Gayle began his music career during the pandemic, but only really took it serious when UK-based musician Skitta asked him to collaborate on a song. He now runs his own studio and record label, Triple Century Records. Gayle has been concentrating on music after retiring from cricket 4 years ago. In an E-Prime exclusive, Gayle stated that he is thrilled at having his album considered for a Grammy, thanking producers and featured artists for their efforts.
I'm excited, I'm grateful, I'm thankful. I'm just excited right now to actually know that I'm part of a project that actually debuted #1 on iTunes, to be featured on such an album. You know, Tropical House Cruise to Jamaica. Contractor, big up yourself, enough respect every time. You know, big up each and every artist on the album as well. You know, special big up to Chave, Kamar Flavor, big up yourself.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching. See you next time.